Hello, everyone, and welcome back to IntelliBooks Studio. I'm Manish, and today we're talking about a really practical automation for engineering teams, our GitHub and Slack integration agent.
And I'm Abhishek. Yeah, this one is exciting because it solves a problem almost every dev team feels every single day.
At IntelliBooks Studio, we build enterprise AI agents that don't just answer questions. They actually do the work. They connect business tools, automate repetitive steps, and let multiple agents collaborate securely across enterprise systems.
Exactly. So let's frame this with situation, task, action, and result. The situation is pretty familiar, right? GitHub is where developers build, review, and ship code, while Slack is where everybody talks, asks for updates, and shares decisions. But those workflows are usually disconnected. Developers keep jumping back and forth, checking pull requests, sharing repo links, creating issues, posting updates, and answering status questions. These tiny interruptions seem harmless, but honestly, they add up fast and break focus.
Right, and that takes us to the task. We wanted an AI agent that understands natural language, securely connects to GitHub and Slack, and handles those repetitive actions automatically.
And inside IntelliBooks Studio, this is not just one model doing everything. It's a coordinated multi-agent setup. One agent routes the command, another works with GitHub Actions, another manages issues, another retrieves development status, and another sends Slack notifications. So, each agent has a clear job, and together they execute the workflow.
That's the part I like, because it mirrors how strong teams work. Specialized roles, coordinated execution.
Exactly. Yeah, and the setup is surprisingly simple. In IntelliBooks Studio, I open the integrations page, connect GitHub with a secure sign-in flow, then do the same for Slack. No API key juggling, no messy config files, no complicated setup.
And from there, it all runs through natural language?
Yes, the workflow uses the Model Context Protocol or MCP, which is an open standard for giving AI agents a secure, consistent way to access tools and data. Slack now documents MCP support for AI integrations, and GitHub already supports Slack-based notifications and pull request updates. So the foundation is real and production friendly.
Wow.
Now I can ask things like list all repositories in the organization, show all open pull requests, or show a developer's recent commit history. I can also say create a GitHub issue for missing project members, and the issue gets created automatically.
And the Slack piece is where it gets really useful for teams, right?
Absolutely. I can say notify the development team whenever a new pull request is opened. Then the agent connects the GitHub event to Slack and posts updates automatically. According to GitHub's own documentation, Slack integration is designed specifically to bring repository activity into team conversations, which makes this use case a natural fit.
So the result is pretty clear. Developers stop wasting time copying updates between tools, managers get instant visibility, pull requests are shared automatically, issues can be created conversationally, and team notifications happen without manual effort.
Right. And that means the workflow becomes faster, smarter, and more collaborative. People stay focused on building software instead of babysitting status updates.
I mean, that's really the bigger story here. This GitHub and Slack integration agent is one example, but the same pattern applies across HR, finance, support, and operations too.
Exactly. Industry research in 2026 keeps pointing in the same direction. Enterprises want AI agents that are connected, governed, and able to execute real workflows across systems. That's the vision we are building toward with IntelliBooks Studio.
Thanks so much for joining us for this IntelliBooks Studio podcast.
And we'll see you next time with another hands-on AI automation demo. Thanks for listening.